Hello viewers, myself Dr. Rachna, homeopathic physician, chronic disease specialist. Today I am telling you about lymphoma for homeopathic treatment who does complete cure without any side effect. Lymphoma means is Lymphoma is a cancer of the lymphatic system. It is developed in the lymphocytes, which are type of white blood cells. These cells help fight disease in the body and play an essential role in the body immunity system. As this type of cancer is present in the lymphatic system, it can the quickly metastasize or spread to different tissues and organs throughout the body. Lymphoma most often spread to the liver, bone marrow, and lungs. People of any age can develop lymphoma, but it is among the most common cause of cancer in children and young adult age 15 to 24 year. It is often treatable. Lymphoma are two types lymphomas: Hodgkin's lymphoma and non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. Involve different type of lymphomas grow at lymphoma is very treatable and outlook can vary depending on the type of lymphoma and its stages. Your doctor can help you find the right treatment for your type and stages of illness. Lymphoma is different from leukemia. Each of these cancer started in different type of cells. Lymphoma started in infection, feasting and lymphocytes. Leukemia started in blood forming cells inside bone marrow. Lymphoma is also not the same of lymphoedema, which is a collection of fluid that form in body tissue when there is damage or blockage to the lymph system. Causes of lymphoma: scientific don't know what causes of lymphoma. In most causes you might be made at risk if you ages 6 or under from the non-Hodgkin lymphoma. Between 15 to 40 are elder, this 55 for the Hodgkin lymphoma. Male although certain subtype may be more common in female, have weak immunity system from HIV and AIDS and organs transplantation, or because you were born with an immunity system. Have an immunity system disease such as the rheumatoid arthritis, Sjogren's syndrome, lupus, and Elias disease. Celiac diseases have been infected with the virus such as the Epstein-Barr, hepatitis C, human T cells, leukemia, lymphoma, HTLV1. Have the closer relative who had lymphoma exposed to benzene and chemical that kill back, and the bits were treated for the Hodgkin and not Hodgkin lymphoma in the past were treated for the cancer with the radiations. Signing symptom of lymphoma: swelling glands like lymph nodes, often in neck, armpit, and groin that are painless, cough, shortness of breathing, fever, night sweating, fatigue, weight loss, and itching. There are other signing symptoms as well. Diagnosis for lymphoma: bone marrow spreading or the biopsy, chest X-ray, MRI, PET scan, molecular test, and blood test. Treatment for non-Hodgkin lymphoma: chemotherapy, radiation therapy, immunotherapy, target therapy, stem cells transplants therapies. This is a conventional treatment for lymphomas, but homeopathy remedy treating this without any side effect and no need any therapy during treatment. Homeopathy remedies are two common homeopathy medicines. Medicine name is radium bromatum 200 two times a day for 24 weeks, morning empty stomach and night after food. As second medicines are mother tinctures, Asterias rubens 15 drops including the water and 3 times a day. Morning empty stomach before lunch and after food for 24 weeks. This is two homeopathy medicines. These medicines depend on signing symptom, but lot of home medicines homeopathy for cancer who does completely cure. Homeopathy treatment procedure are such as invalidation, case analysis, constitution, mental symptoms, and signing symptoms, or pathological investigations. So, if you want to get cured completely, please consult nearby homeopathy physician. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, request to you please subscribe my channel, push bell icon and like and share.